lau dễ, lau cà keo, hot with long, chung with long, sao với ball, and it's a 30, 40 or 50 Vietnam dong you can buy. If the separate also they put in the banh mi and let's talk about the soy. So what is the soy? Do in the bun khot make from the rice powders. How they do the powder and the water? Phá miên sỏi, hủ tiếu, bún bả, bánh cuốn, bún đậu mắm tằm. Hello friends, today video I make it what the Vietnamese people eat. Breakfast, lunch and what about the dinner life. You know I love Vietnam and here culture, here the people, here the lifestyle, everything is completely enjoying. And please give the comment what you like to eat in the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, let's ready start. So breakfast, ăn sáng. Phở miên sỏi, hủ tiếu, bún bả, bánh cuốn, bánh canh, cháo, bún thịt nướng, bánh mì ốp la, bánh mì thịt, bánh mì thập cám, bánh mì xì mái, bánh mì chả, bánh mì thịt nướng, bánh mì cá hấp. And what about the lunch? Ăn chứa. Cắm tôm, bún chả, cau lầu, bánh xèo, bún riêu, bánh gôi, bánh khọt, bánh bao, bún thang, bánh chưng, mì quang, bún đậu mắm tấm. And what about the dinner in the Vietnam life? So I cannot mention this. You can choose in the breakfast and lunch anything in the dinner. But usually here people going to, you understand right? So what we are going to eat with that? Súp bắp hiếu, canh gà chiên, cá nướng, lau dễ, lau cà keo, hot with long, chung with long, sao với bắp sao đê, hủ dê nướng, hào nướng phô mai, ghé hạt bia, bắp sao đê. I like it. Bay bia nhé. Hey, don't be shocked now. Don't worry. Now I'm going to speak slowly and explain you about all the food, how in the Vietnam people serve and how they eat and everything. Now let's go. Come, continue, please. Keep it. Let's talk about the pho, hủ tiếu, bún bả. It's any type of the noodles in the Vietnam. People sell in the ball, and it's a 30, 40 or 50 Vietnam dong you can buy it. Before they sell whole night they cook that soup with the meat. Is a pork or chicken or any beef or any nam, gang nam means thêm nước lèo. People ask a lot because let's talk about the soy. So what is the soy? Soy is a type of the rice which is very sticky, and people eat this every morning, and in the festival you can see this in the lots of colors, green, red, yellow, any 4 or 5 type of the color you can get in the soy. And people serve in the green onion, dry onion, han phi. The sauce is a very tasty, you must try it. So in the breakfast, banh mi is a very famous thing here. So what you can say that banh mi opla, banh mi thep, banh mi thap kam, si mai, ka, blah blah. What they're going to do in this? They open the banh mi, they cut, and after then they put the butter. Then they put tape, and after then they put anything. Opla is the egg, thit is the meat, and usually people eat the pork meat. Lots of sauce and salad, a lot. Simai type of the ball is a pork ball. They put on the banh mi and round, and they put the sauce a lot. It's a very colorful sauce, and you eat. Ka hop is one more type of the dish people eat with the banh mi. Is a fish and soup. So they can eat the separate also. They put in the banh mi and very most famous lunch in the Vietnam, cam tam. You have a rice, you have a grilled pork, you have a egg, you have some big tofu piece, and you have some dry noodles with the green onion sauce, nước mắm, and eat with the So the next is the bun khot. So what they do in the bun khot make from the rice powders, how they do the powder and the water they mix. Right, and up they put the shrimp and you have a lots of salad, very tasty. And you know, when you go to the Vũng Tàu, the Vũng Tàu nya and ban khot nya nong lama rat nong, very tasty in the Vũng Tàu. So the next is the bun goi. So what is the bun goi? People usually eat in the breakfast, lunch, even evening. Anytime people can eat that. Is how they serve this. Is served in the bun.
Very soft. Even inside you can see the pork.
The next very famous thing in the Vietnam is a bun bao. People eat in the breakfast and lunch. Even mom also give to the children, hey, ăn bun bao gan chưa nha. Go to the school and eat this bun bao. You people eat in the breakfast, lunch, even evening they also eat. How they serve is a very bao, very interesting. Bún đậu mắm tằm. This is a completely traditional Vietnamese dish. Every Vietnamese people love this dish. And you have
A lot of variety in this. So we have
grilled pork, boiled pork, fried pork, tofu with the fruit salad.
and mint, lots of meat, you know.
Here are some very interesting at the nightlife Vietnam people with the drink or some normally food people they eat. The first is a soup of heo. So what is this? Is a brain boiled pork soup. People love to drink and eat this with the drink. Very nice, very tasty. Kan Ga Chien. People love to have in the dinner.
With a drink or something. And what it is, the legs, small legs of the chicken, and with the sauce they make it very delicious.
People love it. So let's talk about the love. So love is a very big ball and hot pot type, like if people put the water and after then they put the vegetable, they put any meat, goat,
Pork, beef, chicken, everything. Now I put the noodle, then we eat.
everything they want to eat become a full. It's a very tasty. And some dog also. Chow. I'm not prefer this, but some people eat that. Most of the people really don't like the dog to eat, so we will not talk about it. Okay, have beer. It's a crab. They put the crab in the water and they put the beer and they make it boil. You can see the picture when you eat this. Very tasty. I try it. You must try it. It's very tasty. Hot with long. You can see the I button and you can check my another video when I have a time. I'm going to sell hot with long. On with long, chung with long. Hot trà sữa, hot with long, sweet with long, long sau mê, bắp sau mê. Sau mê, bắp sau đê. In this we have an egg, and which is not completely full born. So it's a half born and half egg and half the duck or something, and then they boiled it the half so people cannot eat normally, so people eat with the drink. Is a very tasty. So what the boil, they open and they put some chili and they put some lemon and you feel very better. And my friends, I don't know the Vietnamese a lot, but I try. You know why? Because I really love Vietnam life, Vietnam culture and Vietnam lifestyle, night, day and everything. So I just try to explain by my way. If my video give you a small smile, so please give like for my video and subscribe my channel. Remember please, and give me the idea that you want the videos, next video, so I can try for you. And please support us. Oh my god. After this video I think I can get the job in the Vietnam as a waiter. Oh wow, it's a good idea, right? Eat a lot. Chung cất long, sau mê, bắp sau đê. Ôi mẹ quá. Thank you, hẹn gặp lại nha. Cảm ơn nha.